Please don't forget, I have introduced time codes in my video. So if you want to skip to a specific part of the video, all that you have to do is just click on the video timeline and you'll be able to know the chapters in the video. Yeah, so that maybe you don't want to watch maybe this part but skip to that part. You can click on the video timeline and it will be available for you. Okay, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and kindly share it. Thank you. Hello everyone, you're welcome back to the Tech Guy, and today we'll be talking about how to place order online. That's placing order online via Jumia. Yeah, that's those using Jumia. It seems some people are still finding it difficult to place order online using Jumia after I made a first video on how to make money using Jumia JForce. So all that you have to do is you just have to download the app. Or you can use their website. That website jumia.com.ghana. That one is going to help. Or you can just download their app. Okay, so you just have to search for the product that you want. Okay, you just have to search for the product that you want. Okay, so let's say I want this product. Yeah, I want this product. So let's check. I want this product. Please make sure to check the description of the product. Yeah, and the key features of the product before purchasing it. Yeah, you have to check every details of the product. Yeah, before checking it. Yeah. So let's say I'm interested in this product. Okay, and sometimes you have to check the feedback. Yeah, the product reviewing feedback. You realize in here a lot of people are giving in a good feedback, meaning it is good. Yeah, but someone also said phone is perfect, but the power bank doesn't last longer. So let's say I'm interested in this product. I already have some products in my cart. Okay, so after clicking on add to cart, yeah, let's say I'm interested in this product. Yeah, so in here you realize the product has been given in here. Okay, so let me remove this one. I'm not interested in buying this product. Okay, so I'm interested in buying these two products. Yeah, and please note, those with the Jumia Global, it will take 3 weeks. It will take 3 weeks for the item to be delivered to you. Yeah, it will take 3 weeks for the item to be delivered to you. Yeah, that's 21 days. Yeah, but for those in Jumia Express, a maximum of 3 days if you are in Kumasi or Accra, and if you are in the other regions, a maximum of 5 days. So you realize my first item is Jumia Global, meaning the store is located in abroad. The item will be shipped from abroad. Yeah, and the second one is Jumia Express. Okay, so you just have to click, after selecting your order, click on complete your order. Okay, complete your order. Then you realize you enter in your delivery info, this man delivery info, and you select the delivery method. Yeah, so if you want the item to come at your doorstep, you click on home or office delivery. If you want to pick up, if you want to pick it up at their nearby pickup station, you can just click on at any pickup station. Then you select the pickup station nearest to you. Yeah, then you select the pickup station nearest to you. So I will select home and office delivery. Then you realize the shipping fee has been added, 37 cedis. Okay, so in here, the reason why I have been charged international custom fees is because one of my products is a Jumia Global product. Yeah, one of my products is a Jumia Global product. So I have been charged international custom fees. Yeah, because when the item is being brought from out there will be some dues and some stuff. So that's the international shipping fees. Yeah, and my shipping fee is still 7 cedis. So you just have to click on proceed to payment. Okay, then realize right now only MTN mobile money and Airtel money is available. Yeah, or you can also use MasterCard. Vodafone Cash is not available. So let me select MTN or Airtel money. Okay, MTN or Airtel money. So you realize the total is 274 Ghana cedis. Okay, so proceed to summary. Okay, let me go back. Come on, let me. Please make sure to check the items well. Okay, make sure to check the items well. Check the items well before placing the order. So make sure you check the items well. So let's proceed with the payment. Proceed to summary. Okay, so you realize that's it. Okay, that's it. Okay, so proceed. Yeah, so make sure your address is intact. Yeah, your address is intact. Everything is intact in here. So you click on confirm. Click on confirm. Confirm. Pay. Okay. Yeah, so a text message has been sent to my phone. Okay, so let me enter my PIN. Yeah, so the payment is done. I'm done with the payment in here. So you wait as the, so let's wait. So you realize it's in here. Thank you for placing an order on Jumia. Okay, so congratulations, your order has been successfully placed. So you can go to my order. Yeah, so this is the item that I placed. If you want to track the item, you can just go to click on track the item. Then you'll know which location the item is now. Okay.